Hi everybody and welcome to the Republic Day Orange Ride 2019 January 26th. Special orange ride, and we have themed it land, water and land. From here we are going to ride till Hangarkatte port, and from there we'll all dock our motorcycles on barge which will take us to Hude, and from there we will ride on the beach line and come back to the showroom. Some safety information: we have one ambulance and two crew cars on both ends of the river, one at that side, one at this side. Please ride safely. Driver is Marsh and Rian. Please come here. And our drag rider is Prashant. Please come. Drag rider is Prashant. And our ride monitor is Praveen. Please do not overtake the lead rider. Please don't go behind the drag rider. Ride monitor will monitor your ride. We ride on single fly only, no double fly riding. Please follow instructions. Do not overspeed. Do not overtake. Please follow traffic rules. And as a safety on the barge, we will go 4 or 6 motorcycles per barge. Your barge tickets are already paid for. So people who are willing to take photographs, please feel free to take your videos, but be nice on the ride. So let's all start one more time. Bolo Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Bolo Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Bolo Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Barge location. Copy. First batch 7 motorcycles. Okay, copy. Orange ride today, and it's fun. So 3 batches have already left via barge at the batches of 6 motorcycles each, and we are going again and probably one more batch, and we are enjoying this.